Good day, everyone. I am Kristen Jen A. Barrientos, a recent graduate of Bachelor of Early Childhood Education. During my college years, I was trained to handle and teach young learners from preschool to grade 3. I completed my practice teaching in both public and private school, where I gained valuable experience in lesson planning, managing a classroom, and also understanding the unique needs of every child. As a future educator, I am passionate about creating a learning environment that is fun, safe, nurturing, and also engaging, where children feel valued and supported. And I believe that every child lies a great potential. As a teacher, it's my role to help them shine. Thank you.